Kau kata nak jimat, tak nak membazir. Tutup berkotak-kotak sampai. Hah? Siapa cakap tu? Siapa tu? Siapa cakap tu? So guys, as you can see in front of me ada parcel baru. So this one I've bought from Pop Mart store. This is my second time I actually buying something at Pop Mart official store. Understand that I beli online je. So kita ada box kat sini nak buka, and this one is the biggest one. So yang mana you nak tengok dulu? Yang ni ke? Yang ni ke? Yang ni? So kita buka yang dulu lah. So kita akan buka yang kotak ini dulu. Alright. So come back to another video for this one. Jadi yang ni I beli dengan reseller. I dah tahu dah benda apa kat dalam ni. So you guys yang tak tahu, so make sure you stay tuned. Without further ado, let's open the box. Ready guys? Ta-da! So I beli Have a Seat series sebab I nak completekan my collection. So this one obviously dah unseal. Okay, I tak nak lah beli blind box and then dapat the same one. Jadi I terus beli yang dah unseal, maksudnya yang dah buka. Tapi jangan risau, this is original, cuma yang dah buka saja. So I letak sini. This is all my collections of Have a Seat series. So dalam series ni, I nak yang open eyes sahaja. So this one is yeayyy, the first one I've got. Yang ni, the eyes is closed. Jadi, I'm decided I nak beli yang open eyes sahaja. So as you can see, I have already Baba right here. And I have Dada over here. And I have a secret, obviously, this is Dodo. And now I'm missing QQ, which is this one. So I think you guys can guess what's inside this box. So without further ado, let's open the box. So this is the bag. Jom kita buka. Disebabkan I dah tahu dah apa dalam ni, I tak perlu tutup mata lah. 1, 2, 3, tada! Are you ready guys? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! This is so cute! Look at her eyes. So this one is QQ. It quite similar with this. Tapi dia tak sama, dia lain. Look at the eyes. Dia tak sama. So this one is QQ. This one is Dada. So this is QQ. So this is the card. The color is so subtle and it's so cute. This is all the collection. Now I dah boleh move on to V1. I want to collect 1 or 2 more from the V1 collection because I have 1, 2, only 2 from V1. So that's it for today. Bye. Family photos.